What's up you guys, it's your girl Loverlee and I am back with another video. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, in today's video I'll be giving you guys another centerpiece idea. But this one is Easter themed because you know Easter is coming right up. So I'm giving you guys an idea for Easter centerpiece and it's really fun. So stay tuned for the step-by-step tutorial. If you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment it in the comment section and I'll get back to you. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All the materials and material links will be in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. I have this basket that I bought from Hobby Lobby. They're probably on sale now. I also have my hand pump, my balloon sizer, and my quick link balloons in 11 inches. I have my 260 Qs, and I also have my electric pump, and I have these pastel balloons that I got off Amazon. I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. So to get started, I inflated my quick link balloon and then I pressed down and released some air to get the balloon in a round shape, and I want my balloon to be the same exact size as inside of the basket, so you're gonna see me measure that in a second. So after I'm finished inflating my quick link balloons, I now have two tails to work with. I'm going to be using 6 260Q balloons, and all I'm going to be doing is tying each end of the 260Q balloon to the tail of the quick link balloon, and you'll see exactly how I do that in a second. Now I'm going to be inflating my 5-inch pastel balloons and size them to 4 inches using my balloon sizer, and making sure that I am not pairing two of the same colors together. Now I'm gonna take my pairs of 4-inch balloons and wrap them under my 260Qs. I didn't even really wrap them. I literally just took the pair and slide them under the 260Q balloons. As you can see, I did it this way. I was gonna wrap it, but then when I did this, I realized that it won't fall off. Like, where's it gonna go? So I didn't even bother to wrap it around. I just literally slide it under my 260Q balloons and they stayed up perfectly. Also guys, while adding your balloons, just ensure that all of your colors are not in the same section. Just kind of spread them out a little bit so they're not all in the same place. Okay guys, so after finished adding all the balloons, this is how it looked. It was literally a perfect circle, but I could still see some gaps in it, so I went in with about 3 tiny balloons and fill in those gaps with my low temperature glue gun. So I had some balloon sticks, but they weren't long enough, so I ran to the Dollar Tree to see if I could find something, and then I came across these. They were the perfect height that I needed, so I went ahead and got it, and then I spray painted it white so it could match the basket. And yeah, you guys will see exactly how I use those. So for this part, you can add whatever decor you want, but because it is Easter themed, I decided to grab some Easter decor from the Dollar Tree, and I got some shredded paper fillers and some Easter eggs to add to the basket. Alright you guys, so this is how my Easter basket slash hot air balloon turned out. Let me know how you like this tutorial in the comment section below. If you also like this video and if you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. It was super easy and fun to do. It took me less than 2 hours to complete. I hope you guys will go ahead and try it for your Easter event or even for fun. But as always, I will catch you guys in my next video, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the fam. As always, I'll catch you guys later. Bye!